In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on HD in Zoom settings. HD in Zoom can look great, but it's not just a single switch. Availability depends on your account, permissions, and your computer and camera. Standard HD, which is 720p, is available on Pro, Business, Education, and Enterprise accounts. Full HD at 1080p typically requires a business, education, or enterprise plan and may need to be specifically enabled by Zoom support or your organization's administrator. Also, your camera has to support HD, your computer needs enough processing power, and your internet upload speed should be strong enough for steady, high-quality video. Let's start inside the Zoom desktop app. Open the Zoom client on your computer. Click your profile picture in the top right, then choose Settings and go to the Video tab. In the Camera section, look for the option labeled HD or Enable HD and check that box. If you don't see it, it usually means your account or device doesn't support HD or the setting is managed centrally by your organization. Make sure your webcam actually supports 720p or 1080p and that your graphics drivers are up to date. Next, confirm your account-level settings in the Zoom web portal. Sign in on the web, go to Settings, then Meeting, and scroll to In Meeting, Advanced. Find Meeting HD video quality and toggle it on. If you have access, choose Standard HD for 720p or Full HD for 1080p, then click Save. If the setting is grayed out or locked, it's controlled by your admin. In that case, you'll need to request access or ask them to enable it for your account. Some accounts also require Zoom support to turn on 1080p globally, so don't be surprised if you need that extra step for full HD. During your meeting, a few habits help Zoom deliver HD consistently. Use full screen mode on the meeting window and switch to speaker view rather than gallery view, which gives Zoom a better chance of prioritizing your video at higher resolution. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough. Zoom recommends specific upload speeds for HD, and if your bandwidth dips, Zoom will automatically lower quality. Closing bandwidth-heavy apps, pausing large uploads, or using a wired connection can make a noticeable difference. Good lighting and a steady camera also help your picture look sharp when HD is active. That's it. Check your plan and hardware, enable HD in the desktop app, turn on HD quality in the web portal if available, and optimize your meeting view and connection. With those pieces in place, your Zoom video should look crisp and professional.